Right. What? Okay, cool. Jeep Compass. That's what we're working on today. I don't even know if y'all guys can see this. Hold on. There it is. It's on my camera, bro. I don't want to focus. Okay, there it goes. Jeep Compass Turbo. It's gonna be 530. Look at that. Okay, this is the air filter. Right there, and big old nice letters turbo. I just make that a mess. Oops. Let's clean it off real quick. Terpsky. We're gonna need this guy and this guy. There's the filter, MO339. Couple 10 millis. That's it. Oh. Dang. Hot much? Oh my God. Stuck on something? Oh wow. Eesh. Well, it's not too bad. Could be worse. Should have seen that Dodge I did the other day, man. Sheesh. Thing was dirty. This one is just smells like I have particulate. That's it. Car's only got 18,000 something miles, so I feel comfortable letting them go like this. This don't have to be changed for a long time. There's little hooks back here. Let's see. There's little hooks back here. 5 of them. Make sure you get those lined up. Middle screw. We good, baby. We good. Cooling's good. I gotta washer fluid. Gotta add washer fluid. Thing was screaming inside. Low washer fluid, low washer fluid. Oh man, my fault, bro. Haha. First try. Oh, bruh. I really hope this thing don't have a leak in it. Last time I had one of these compasses, it had a leak right there at the neck. Oh my God, everywhere. The floor was stained blue for 2 days. Good, washer fluid's good. Let's push that brake fluid real quick. Oh yeah, that's real good and nice. Okay, power steering, power steering. Oh no, that's a coolant overflow, my fault. It's the turbo coolant, I bet. No power steering. I don't see no power steering reservoir nowhere, so looks like I can go up with it now. 1 I do have to check the cabin air filter. Check that when I drop it back down later. I wonder what's going on over there. See a couple heads walking. I'm trying to get a new Apple Watch. That way I can watch the footage as I'm recording you guys. You know, I can make better videos. Because the dealership I work at incentivizes us showing receipts to our customers, i.e. in the form of photos. I figured I get the camera going, boom. Don't have to worry about me doing nothing wrong. Ratchet, that's what I was going for. Ratchet, 13. Let's get some gloves. Finally got gloves now, haha. Shout out Jody. Jody! I don't know, what do you think, guys? What do you think? Push that way. Take these two. Somebody undid these yesterday. Oops. There you go. That's the click. Watch your hands right here. Look, see, I don't have a lot of clearance, but that's where you need to watch your hands. There's an exhaust pipe right there. No, you can't even see what I'm talking about, man. Let me get a light. If you did, say something in the comments. Quee. There you go. You're afraid to get your hands dirty. You got gloves on now. But me, like rags. Because that'll happen. And this car was running pretty long. Oh no. Is this car hot or is that? Oh my God. I think I'm gonna have to end the video here, guys, because I need to bring this up to my service advisor. I swear that looks like metal fragments. Oh, no, hold on. Nah, I'm crazy. Psych. Oh, that kind of freaked me out though. I could have swore I saw it leak a little bit of some shinies. We wouldn't have wanted that. This is good practice, guys. This is good practice right here. Lube the O-ring. Lube the O-ring. That acts as part of the seal and also keeps it from getting cooked onto that metal right there, because these things get hot. Okay, down to a dribble. Zippy zappy. Zippy zappy. There you go. Boom. Let me clean this bolt real quick. Gotta feel it click. Gotta feel it click. There it goes. Ow. That hurt it. Cool. There you go. Good and tight. Two. There you go. And whoever says I put that too tight, use up. No. They make tools for a reason, guys. Have the right tools, do the right job. Everything is good down here. Boom. Wipe that off a little bit. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's it, guys. Let's drop this down, get the oil going in it. I think I should have left my gloves on. Oh well. Always flipping back inside out. Oh, no, I can't. Stupid. Anyways. Just squished the box. I broke the box. So I don't have any information on how much oil to put in here. So I'm gonna have to look it up. 25 compass. Don't mind me, just trying to get my ASEs. For that. VNF. Okay, so I pulled up the service information here. I'm gonna put engine oil with filter 5 quarts, 530. All right, cool. 5 quarts, 530. About right. Well, let me put it down. Oops, wrong quart line. just won't put all of it. That's it right there, Papa. Watch. Mira, mira. Whatever filter. Funnel. Boom, just fire it up. Okay. So since it is a turbo, we're gonna let it run a little bit longer. It's a mess over here, man. I can't believe these guys. Look, sound good. Let's check that oil. Let's check that oil. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Give it a second to drop down. So pretty, it's so pretty. There's the Terpsky. Little baby turbo. That's it, right on the shmoney. Let's get it out of here. Oil change done, man.